everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name is Alexis and I post 4 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more videos, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you my deep clean of the kitchen part 1. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you my deep clean of my kitchen part 1. So in this video I'm going to be cleaning this area of my home today. This area has been in need of a clean for quite some time. I did reorganise it a little while ago and the reorganisation has been working well, and I will talk to you about that in the video. So I've reorganised it, but it just needs a really deep clean, and as I've also said, this is part 1 of a video, so I'm going to be cleaning the rest of my kitchen. It will probably be in about 3 or 4 parts, but I'm going to be cleaning the whole kitchen over probably about 3 or 4 weeks as well. So watch out for that on my channel, but for now I'm just cleaning this area. So of course I thought I'd make a video, and of course I thought I'd share it with you. So here is how I have deep cleaned my kitchen part 1. As always in all of these videos, the first thing I did was to clear the island, so I had a space to put all of the items from the cupboard, and then I just started to clear the cupboard of all of these items. So in these cupboards I generally tend to store snacky type food. We also store alcohol in here because we have nowhere else to put it, so we just put it in here. Oils go in this cupboard as well. It generally tends to be stuff we don't use that much, but we occasionally use, so we do need it. So that's what gets stored in these cupboards. Please try to ignore the fact that the dishwasher and the tumble dryer and the washing machine are going off in the background. I'm really sorry about that. They all need to go off at the same time, so there's nothing I can do. But what I was going to say was, this is how much stuff has come out of those cupboards. It always amazes me. I always think we've got no space for anything, and then this all appears and I think we've got a lot of stuff actually rather than space. All this alcohol here we never really drink either. But you never really know what to do with it, do you? People give you really bizarre things. I think we've won this in a raffle and we've never known what to do with it. So yes, this is everything that's come out. I've even got bits over here as well. Ignore the tea there, but yes, this is everything that's come out of this cupboard. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean inside here, because the shelves are really grotty and dirty, and the fronts are also a bit grotty and dirty as well. This drawer really needs a clean. So yeah, I'm just going to give everything a really good deep clean. Now, to clean the cupboards, I'm going to be using a bowl of water, and to that I'm going to be adding some vinegar, some washing up liquid and some essential oil. And I find that this makes a really good cleaner. It's quite a natural cleaner, but it does clean the cupboards quite well. So as you can see here, I've just started at the top and I'm just working my way down through each cupboard. So I'm trying to clean each shelf and each door individually, and I just basically work my way around this cupboard. And I'm also going to give the oven a bit of a clean. Not inside, but the outside door actually needed a good clean as well. So yes, I'm just going to continue to clean these cupboards now. cupboards are cleaned, I'm going to leave them to dry, and I'm moving on to cleaning the boxes that we use inside these cupboards. So these boxes I spoke about earlier in this video, and they kind of hold the snacks that we keep inside these boxes. They hold anything, any odd items, I would say, that don't really have a home but need a home, if you know what I mean. So yes, these have been really handy. Everybody has found them really easy to use as well. So I tend to put the crisps in some of them. And I also put like napkins, as you can see there, and any plastic cups that just don't really have a home but needed one. So yes, and Howard also has his coffee in here as well. So what I did was I emptied each box individually, then I just gave it a wash under the tap, and then I just put all the items back as well. So then I'm going to put these items back into the cupboard, and I'm going to move on to organising the other parts of the cupboard now. So the next part I organise is like the vinegar and the oil. They all just go back in the same place really. They store quite well in here, so I don't think I'll ever change that. And then we have those odd bottles of alcohol that we never really drink. I did have to put those up high at one point because Ted was little and kept pulling them out the cupboard. So I did have to put them up higher, but now he's not so little and doesn't tend to pull anything out the cupboard anymore. I can actually put them down here and pretend they don't exist probably. So yes, I'm just going to continue to fill the cupboard up. Actually, I want to talk about this. I've also got baskets for my equipment as well. So these are baskets to hold the whisk that I have, the hand blender. I also have cake decorating tools and icing bits in here as well. So yes, these baskets are really handy and they make it really easy to find things as well. I've had these baskets in here since I think we moved in, and they've just made it so much easier in this cupboard to find the things I'm looking for when I need them. So I love these baskets. And yeah, I just had a quick tidy out of them, and I washed them under the sink as I did the other baskets, and then I just put them back into the cupboard. And then I just move on to, the shelf felt a bit wet there, so I did give it a quick wipe, and then I just moved on to putting everything else back into the cupboards. Everything was back inside the cupboards. My son came home from being out with his dad, and he decided to grab me round the waist at this point while I was putting everything back onto the island. So yes, once everything was in the cupboards, I then moved everything back onto the island, and that was my afternoon task done, and I'm really pleased with the finished results. It looks great now, and it's very clean too. So the cupboard has finally been finished. As you can see, everything is back in its place, and I have to say that these boxes have been a lifesaver. They've been really handy in this cupboard. They've kept everything in its place, so I'm really pleased with that system. But yes, I just gave everything a quick wipe down and a very deep clean as well. It was quite grotty in here and it's looking much better now. And I've put everything back, as you can see. And hopefully this cupboard will flow as it always has done. And the bottom part is also really clean as well. So yes, very, very pleased with the finished results. It's a weight off my mind knowing that this is clean now. That's my kitchen cupboards deep cleaned, and that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.